I got that all me on video.
What?
Okay, children. Okay, children, back up. I'm gonna arm the rocket.
You got the rocket. Okay, I got the.
Get out the way.
I got the ring in the.
Where'd your little door go?
What?
Where'd the door go? There's a little door that hangs.
Oh, I took it off. It broke. The spring broke off.
So it was flopping around.
Jack's landing.
Come on, Jack!
I just clipped it off. But you gotta admit that landing was good.
But
you got me.
The first
That one.
bounce was great. The second one, I don't know. I'm giving you a hard time. Come on now.
A little bit more towards us. There you go.
I think he's got it down pretty dang good. And the butter's all over the runway.
Very nice.
Bye bye.
Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn. There you go. Woohoo! Go.
You sound like one of those people that
Very nice, Jack.
what you call it? The people that do the Storage Wars stuff.
Oh yeah,
I'm at 59. Nobody
you mean an auctioneer?
Yeah.
All right, plug it in.
Bang.
Imagine if that thing blew up right there.
God, why are you even saying that?
I did that to him one time. I actually said bang.
It scared the crap out of me.
Scared the crap.
Yeah, launching. I'm gonna launch right in front of you.
Yeah.
All right, do you want me to get on video? Right?
I'm already videoing right now, but if you want to do it, go ahead.
Here, what, are you gonna go over the runway and do it?
Yeah.
I don't know how to push it.
You know what? You can do it, Nate, and then you can send it to me.
Here.
It's gonna be better if I do it going that way.
You're gonna go from right to left on the rocket?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Time remaining.
Yeah. Tell me when you're ready. Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I'm gonna be pretty close, so. Rocket launch! Ready?
I don't think anybody cares. You got birds 12 o'clock high. I wonder if that boosts it up at all.
It does.
No shit it does, Mike.
Hey, you never know. It could be.
It was climbing though.
You gotta get a speed run on that thing.
Well, I was into the wind that time.
You gotta get going really fast and hit the rocket.
I wanted it to be a little more dramatic on that one, so.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, that's cool. Man. I gotta get video to 233.
What is it?
What? What, Mike? Is that right?
Showing!
I'm gonna give you shit to do. Even though you literally said it. What the hell is F-15 makes that noise for?
I don't know.
Is that wide open?
Yeah, it's not very fast. It's decently fast. But
That's the cool point.
I had a crazy setup in it before, but it was hard to launch.
Landing.
Yeah.
And bang. Why don't you take advantage of the turf?
Because it catches. I tried it on this one, it catches. Ugh. Safety is out.
We already died.